In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to advertise on Beehiiv, a user-friendly platform designed to help you grow your audience through effective newsletter promotion. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your newsletter's reach, Beehiiv offers a variety of tools to simplify the process. Let's dive in and explore how you can maximize your newsletter's visibility. First, to get started, go to the Beehiiv website. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're on the home page, the next thing you want to do is click on the login button. This is typically located at the top right corner of the page. After that, select sign in with Google to access your Beehiiv account quickly and securely. Beehiiv offers a variety of ways to advertise your newsletter, and you have the freedom to use them all or just pick the options that work best for you. The first tool that we'll be exploring today is the referral program. By clicking on this option, you can easily set up a program that encourages your subscribers to refer others to join your newsletter. This method is particularly effective because it leverages your current audience to organically expand your reach. Next up, we have recommendations. Click on the recommendations link to view this feature, which allows you to curate and share other publications that might interest your audience. This is a great opportunity to engage your community, show them some extra content you love, and in return, see some of your recommended publications do the same for you. Moving on, let's talk about magic links. These links can be a powerful tool in driving signups to your newsletter. When you click on the magic links option, you can create a unique hyperlink that you can easily embed into your newsletter or any other digital communication. This makes it super simple for your audience to subscribe with just one click, dramatically reducing any friction in the sign-up process. Finally, we have boosts. Click on this feature to discover a cost-effective way to grow your newsletter using a paid acquisition channel. Boosts can be surprisingly efficient in rapidly increasing your subscriber numbers, making it an ideal choice if you're ready to invest a little to expand your reach more significantly. Each of these features is designed with user-friendliness and effectiveness in mind. Whether you're aiming to tap into organic growth through referrals and recommendations, or investing in paid channels with boosts, Beehiiv has the tools you need to grow your audience. Explore these options, find what works for your strategy, and watch your newsletter audience flourish. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide to advertising on Beehiiv helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on growing your digital presence.